This is such a gorgeous, sleek, really luxurious pill organizer I was sent to review from Vaydeer. You've got 2 full weeks here. They just pop open like normal and then snap shut. Very easy. You also have 2 extra slots here. Boom. Boom, where you can insert the included silica gel packs. There were 8 included in my set. These actually have holes in there, so they're gonna help absorb moisture around the pill case. If you're embarrassed about your pills and you're going on vacation or just have them out on your bedside table or whatever, nobody would know what this is. Or if you just wanna have them in a beautiful case because you like beautiful things, this is the answer. You can open them all up like vertical to quickly fill in your pills. Really could not be easier or more beautiful. Really thin too, super travel friendly. Throw it in your personal item, your carry-on, your suitcase, no worries.